Here are 77 genius ways to use old tires. Subscribe for more awesome videos. Create a storm shelter with old tires filled with dirt. Attach a plank to a half tire to create a simple seesaw. Paint and add a cover to make a durable toy box. Fix multiple car tires parallel to each other to create a durable bike rack. Attach a wooden top to a stack of tires to create a unique desk. Place a large tire on rollers to create an exercise wheel for your cat. Place pieces of tire to create durable padding for your concrete stairs. Place candles inside small tires for a unique and rustic candle holder. Turn an old tire into a durable flower pot. Paint a stack of tires green to create a Christmas tree you can use for years. Attach a wooden plank to a tire and add a horse head to create a rocking horse. Hang a small stack of tires from a sturdy support and use it as a punching bag. Fill 2 tires with concrete to create a heavy barbell. Bury part of a large tire and use it as a soccer goal to improve accuracy. Fill a tire with ice and use it as a cooler for your outdoor parties. Attach several tires together and use them as a ladder for your treehouse or playset. Fill a tire with soil to create a unique garden planter for your flowers or vegetables. Paint a tire and hang it on a wall or from a tree to create a colorful hanging planter. Attach a sturdy rope to a tire and hang it from a tree for a classic tire swing. Stack a few tires, secure them together, and add a cushion on top for a comfortable outdoor seat. Arrange tires around your garden bed to create a decorative border. Dig a hole, place a large tractor tire inside, and line it with a pond liner to create a small pond in your garden. Stack several tires and fill them with compost materials to create a simple compost bin. Stack tires and fill them with soil to create raised garden beds for your plants. Lay tires flat and fill them with gravel or pebbles to create a unique garden path. Stack tires flat and fill them with soil to create a vertical garden. Clean and coat a tire, then add a glass or wooden top to create a unique coffee table. Fill a tire with foam and cover it with fabric to create a stylish ottoman. Mount a tire on the wall and add shelves for your toys and decorations. Attach a seat to a tire and add legs to create a bar stool. Fill a tire with a soft cushion to create a cozy bed for your pet. Cut open a tire and use the inner part to store your shoes. Create a unique outdoor seating area with old tires. Create unique sculptures by stacking and arranging tires in various ways. Paint tires and mount them on a wall to create eye-catching wall art. Attach a mirror to the center of a painted tire to create a unique mirror frame. Attach clock hands and numbers to a painted tire to create a one-of-a-kind wall clock. Paint a tractor tire and add a red ribbon and Christmas lights to create a festive wreath. Attach photos to the inner part of a tire to create a unique photo frame. Hang a tire from the ceiling and attach light bulbs or candles to create a rustic chandelier. Create a tire climbing wall or a tire tunnel for your kids to play on. Fill a large tractor tire with sand to create a sandbox for your kids. Attach a plank between 2 tires to create a balance beam for kids to practice their balancing skills. Attach a rope to a tire and use it as a sled for strength training exercises. Use a large tractor tire for tire flip exercises to build strength and endurance. Use a tire for step-up exercises to improve lower body strength and balance. Create an obstacle course using tires for running, jumping, and crawling exercises. Cut a tire into thin strips and use them as belts for your pants or skirts. Cut a tire into strips and weave them together to create a durable doormat. Weave tire strips together to create a unique and durable rug for your home. Fill a tire with concrete or rocks and use it as a patio umbrella stand. Fill a tire with concrete and use it as a sturdy base for a post. Use an old tire to store your garden hose. Fill a tire with bird seed and hang it from a tree to create a bird feeder. Create a unique water feature by stacking tires and adding a water pump. Add a wood frame to the center of a tire and hang it from a tree as a birdhouse. Add life to your shoes by sewing or gluing tire treads to the bottom of your shoes. Place 2 bike wheels separated by a long pole to create a cylindrical garden trellis. Place 1 or more flower pots inside a tire for a decorative holder. Stack tires and add a cushioned seat and backrest to create a comfortable armchair. Stack multiple tires and add a wooden plank on top to create a bench. Cut a tire into the shape of a horse and turn it into a swing. Lay tires flat on the ground and use them for a game of hopscotch. Wrap the rim of a basketball hoop with a bike tire to create a unique basketball hoop. Mold a tire into a sphere and fill it with sand to use it as a medicine ball for strength training. Use an old tire to create an abdominal roller. Store a backup set of keys inside an empty bike tire. Recycle rubber tires to create a bulletin board. Place a circular chalkboard inside a large tire for a stylish chalkboard. Convert an old tire into a serving tray. Cut a bicycle tire into a thin strip and use it as a bracelet. Cut a bicycle tire or tube into a thin strip and use it as a headband. Turn a bicycle tire or tube into a necklace. Cut small sections of a bicycle tube and use them as earrings. Attach a rope to a small tire and use it as a tug-of-war toy for your dog. Cut a car tire and use it as a magazine holder. Create a bunker with old tires and dirt. Comment below and let us know which idea you like the most. Subscribe for more.